Yes, we'll start our session, guys. First, see the information. So, the question related for mirror images, guys. So, if you want to solve any questions related for mirror image, what is the information we require? Remember, guys. First important point, mirror. See, any object we can tilt left become a right and a right become a left. The image can be converted into the mirror image. Point number one. Okay? And simply, whatever the object, you can simply project it towards the right side. We can define as the mirror object. Second information. Out of 26 alphabeticals, 11 alphabeticals which are similar in the mirror. That is also direct question, guys. In English alphabetical, how many alphabeticals are similar in the mirror? So directly you can choose your answer. Out of 26, we have 11 alphabeticals which are similar. So these are the two important points. And if you go through the directions part, so in this direction, it is very helpful in the images reflection, guys. See, in the direction, here north and south is always with a constant. There is a no change in the north and south, guys. Simply here we can change east become a west and west become a east. For example, northeast. What is the mirror image here? Here north is constant but east become a west. Same thing, southwest. Here southwest means south is constant, southeast become a southeast direction. So simply in the directions part, in the mirror image, east and west both are interchanges, but north and south is always with a constant. This is the information related for mirror. Now see the question. So we want to project these object into the left side, guys. If you want to project it means these space, whatever these space is completely away come on, guys. First of all, see, you just concentrated on these diagonal. So these diagonal is indicated for northeast direction. Point number one. Any northeast direction, mirror image become how much? What is that? Northwest direction. So we want the plotted, the diagonal we required as a northwest. See, we required as a northwest means eliminated the option C. First of all, eliminated the option C, guys. Again, so we want these particular box into the long corner, guys. That's why you can eliminate it A, you can eliminate it B, then option belongs to the B, guys. Option B is the correct answer, guys. Go through the second one. Go through the next information. See, a piece of paper is folded and punched and shown below the question figure. From the given answer figure, indicated how it will appear when it is open. First of all, see. First of all, so this is the final close, guys. If it is open, definitely we can get same shape here, guys. See, guys, same shape we can here means we can complete it this figure like that. Now, if you open this direction, now the figure can be indicated exactly. See, guys, exactly it seems to be a triangle, guys. We want triangle shape. We want the triangle shape means definitely D eliminated, C eliminated, guys. We want the triangle in the diagonal. Now we can open like that, guys. Now you can open like that means definitely see. So, so previous we can open here. Same shape we can get here. So same shape we can get here. Again, if you open in this particular space, same shape, same triangles we can get here, guys. So four vertex points shows towards the center, guys. That's why for according to that question. So according to the question, the suitable option is related for B. So this is completely visible part now. So visible part is just go through the observation. Next. From the given answer figure, select one which is question figure is hidden or embedded. We want the shape. Whatever the question they given, so we want the shape in the particular option. Just go through the option, guys. Embedded figure or hidden figures. See, guys, if you go through the first option, we want the shape, guys. For example, sir, here we have a V shape, but there is a no diagonal shape, guys. So there is a no diagonal shape means definitely A eliminated. In the B, there is a no particular type of these V, guys. So if you go through the C1s, if you go through the C1, sir, we have a V here. Okay, no problem. Here we have a V. But there is a no diagonal line here, guys. There is a no diagonal line means definitely we can eliminate it C also. Here the hidden figure is D. Then I will show you the answer. Don't worry. So we want that shape in which particular figure, guys. We want the shape in which of the particular figure. Now see, I will show you. This is the line. Now we can see this line. Now we can see this line, and we can see this line. So this is the figure. So this is the figure we can indicate it from the option D, guys. So option D is the correct answer. So that's why D is the suitable answer for above question. Next, just completed this figure. So which of the following option can indicate these particular box? So which answer figure will be complete the pattern in the question figure? First see guys, we want curve here. We want open curve like that guys. We want this open curve. See guys, why? Because this is the shape we can get now. So we want this open curve. Now this is the open curve for here. Now next one. So here there is a lines. See, just concentrated on the lines. Here what are the possibles? See here, if we assume these line, for example, if we assume these line, we don't have any vertical line guys. We don't have any diagonal line. But here the option number A, they concentrated on the diagonal. A is eliminated. The concentration on the D. We want one of the corner diagram guys. We want one of the corner diagram means. So this is the possible case. Why? Because one corner starts with two different lines. So one corner starts with two different lines. They are not showing in the ABC diagram. We have only D diagram. Same guys. Same. From these corner onwards, we are adding those two lines guys. So this is the corner. Starts with a two line. Definitely, one of the corner can maintain as a two different lines. That's why the D is the suitable option. Figured out the possibilities, guys. So option D is the correct answer. Next, mirror. So now if a mirror is placed on the line AB, then which of the answer figure is the right image of the given figure? See, so these point we can exactly indicate these line, guys. Just concentrated on that line, given answer. Now see, concentrated on the space, guys. See, concentrated on the space. So these space is indicated for northwest. If the same thing happen in the down, if you projected in the downwards, now it become a southwest guys. See, if any northwest can be projected towards downwards, definitely it becomes southwest. Now we want shows the space towards the southwest guys. Eliminated B, eliminated C, eliminated D. The suitable option is A. Directions are most important. Here the space is indicated northwest direction. If you projected into downwards, definitely it becomes a southwest direction. So answer southwest direction is the correct answer. Next one. Same, a piece of paper is folded and punched as shown below in the question figure. From the given answer figure, indicated how it will appear when it is open. Same guys. Just these all the questions represented for visual part only. So what is the visual section means? So we completed these when it is open. Now the circle is completed here guys. Now the circle is completed here. First part we are completed. Clear? Next. Now again see. So this is the triangle shape now. Now it is open like that. Yes. So see, we want the middle portion is semicircle. We want middle portion is the semicircle means we don't have an option B, no option C, no option D. The suitable option is A. Just pick a one of the parameter guys. If you concentrated on these, we can get the complete off circle here. So complete off circle in these particular sets, we have a single option. Then the suitable option is related to the A. Suitable option is the A. Again, from the given answer figure, select one in which the question figure is hidden or embedded. Now, see, we want these shape, guys. Just identify that whether which option can exactly indicate those shape. So we can get the shape in directly first option, guys. See, so this is the option one. So we can get the shape in option A directly. In option B, there is a no chance. Option C, just try to find out. See, we can get these one. Okay, we can get these diagonal, but we don't have any another diagonal. That's why C eliminated. Here there is a no diagonal section. So directly we can get those embedded figure we can get in the option A. Next. Again, a piece of paper is folded and punched as shown below in the given question figure. From the given answer figures indicated how it will appear when it is open. Same. No, just concentrated on that. See guys, if it is open, see, when it is open in this direction, when it is open in this direction, we can get here by the one circle. So all the corners definitely they maintained as a circles, guys. Corner circles we get. We want the corner circles. Now, if you see all the options, we don't have any corner circles. We don't have any corner circles. We don't have any corner circles. We have a suitable option in third option. See, we required as a corner circles. If you see the entire options, we get the corner circles in only third option number. So directly you can choose your option is the 3. Don't concentrate it on the entire diagram. Just pick some parameters. Based on that parameters, identify the option. Next, ninth one. Again, embedded figures. So we want embedded shape. Where we can get exact shape. Which option indicated the exact embedded shape one? Go through the option one. See, guys. We can get shape here. See, I will draw the shape. You can easily identify the shape. So this is the first diagonal. So directly straight part here. Again, we have a one more diagonal. So we can get the shape in option A, guys. Next, complete the figure. So which answer figure will complete the pattern in the question figure? Now we want to complete the circle first of all. So complete the circle. So we can complete circle based on option A or C. So eliminated B and D. Now, so we want the cross section shape here. Here we want the cross section shape. Here we want the cross section shape. So we want these shape, guys. We want these shape. Clear? Now see that whether it is option A or option C. So option A, C is the suitable option. We want these shape, guys. Option C is the correct answer. Now see, guys, I will tell you that some information. See, comparison of dice. If any two dice are more than two dice are given, you just compare the dice, guys. I will tell you the concept here. First of all, if one element is a common, one element is common. We already completed this concept in TCS NQT, guys. Just go through that once if you want the brief explanation regarding the dice. So I will give you some information. See, if one element is common, so take it as a common number. Take that common number and consider the clockwise notation. So we can get the opposite pairs. Second one, if two elements are similar. So if two elements are similar, eliminate those two, eliminate two common, whatever the common elements you just eliminated, and remaining with the opposite pair. Remaining with the opposite pair. So that is the oral information you require if you go through the comparison. Now see, if you see that, see, so here 641, 645. See, if you see the entire scenario, so I can get the two elements are common. What I mentioned that if you get two elements are common, then remaining is the opposite pair. What is the remaining number? 1 and 5 is the opposite pair. But what about the 6 and 4? Sir, 6 and 4 we can't define with a single number, but definitely there is a chance the opposite pair of 6 and 4 is either 2 or 3. What is the question? See, if two dice are shown in the figure, when number one is in the top, then what will be the bottom? What is the one opposite number? 5 guys. Remember, if two elements are common, eliminate those two elements and remaining with the opposite number. If one element is a common, consider the clockwise rotation. Next, try this question. Now, if it is a dots converted into numbers, here the number is 6, here the number is 2, here the number is 1. Here we have a 6, here we have a 4, here we have a 3. I just I'm drawing the diagram here. So 1, 6, 2, set 3, 6, 4. Now see, if you go to comparison, there is a one element is common. So what is the element common here? 6 is the common. What I am mentioning. If you go with a comparison, if one element is a common, so consider those common element and consider the clockwise rotation. Now see, 6 rotation is 2, rotation is 1. In the same way, 6 rotation is 4, 4 rotation is 3. It means see, here 1 and 3 is opposite, 2 and 4 is opposite. Then what is the remaining number? 5. So 5 and 6 is opposite pair. Now see the question. Now 6 at the bottom. So 6 is the bottom, definitely 5 is the top, guys. So 6 and 5 is the perfect opposite pair. Again, try this question. Now here the number is 6, here the number is 3, here number is 4. Here the number is 3, here 5, here 2. Now see again, if you observe that, what is the common number? 3 is the common number. If single element is constant, those we can consider as a clockwise notation. See, what is the notation? 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6 is the one notation. 3, 4, 6 and another rotation become 3, 5, 2. It means see, 2, 6 is opposite, 4, 5 is opposite. The remaining number of 4, 3 is equal to 1. 1, 3 is opposite. Now, when 2 is at the bottom, what is the number will be? See, opposite of 2, the value becomes 6, guys. Very good. This is the opposite. Next. Remember, guys, the concept related for open dice, there is a single term. Every alternative term, Every alternative term is opposite pair. Every alternative term is exactly opposite pair. Second point, if two vertex are in the same line, remember guys, if two vertex are in the same line, it is always be the adjacent. So remember these 2 points to solve any questions related for open line. If two contact points or two vertex in the same line, definitely always be the adjacent. There is no chance of opposite. Now you can decide it that. See, here the white space and these white space are perfect opposite pair. White space is opposite to the white space. Second one, the black space is opposite to the black space. Now what is the remaining we have? Then white space is opposite to the shaded space. So we can decide at the opposite pair, guys. Clear? See? So we just decided the opposite pair. Every alternative pair is the opposite pair. Now I just decided these two are opposite pair, these two are opposite pair, and these two are opposite pair. Now based on the information, just you choose your options. First of all, here we have a two shades with one white space, guys. See, two shades with one white space. Most of the students they consider, sir, this is the wrong. If you said that first option is wrong, you can directly consider the second pair, guys. But how we can assume that is exactly given as a second pair? That's why, guys, see here. So, what are the chances? Maybe this is the one white space, and this is the dark space, and this is the dark space. If all these three spaces are given, we have a possible to get the answer. But if you say that is the wrong, means you can decide it yourself. These two pairs are given, but you can't decide it anything, guys. That's why the one is maybe a chances. One may be a chances. Again, next one, see, second option. Just go through the second option here. So what are the second option? See, again we have a one white space and two shade space. Guys, see guys, here second is right or wrong. How we can decide it? Now see, I just assume. For example, I can assume this is the space, guys. This is the space I can assume. Now this is the shaded region I can see, guys, and this is the shaded region I can guess. So definitely two is also possible, guys. Now third one, guys, go through the third one. So we have it two empty spaces. They given us these empty space and these empty space and these shaded region means three is also possible answer. Now, if you go through the fourth option, definitely invalid case, guys. Why? Because we have a only three shaded region. They given is also three shaded region. Definitely that is a wrong option, guys. So out of all these, we have a three chances. We have a three chances. Now, now most of the students they decided three is also right, sir. Now I'm telling you guys. For understanding purpose, I just consider this is 1 and this is 2 and this is the 3. For example, I just consider in this way, guys. Now, I just take it as this is the 1. So, this is the 1. Now, I can consider here 2. If I consider 2 here, definitely that is wrong. But there is a chance for 3. So, definitely 3 is also valid, guys. But the second is also true, guys. So, 1, 2, 3 is correct answer. See, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 1, 4. According to the option 1, 3, we can choose, okay? According to the option. 2, 4, no chance, guys. 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. None. 1, 2, 3 is correct answer. But according to your option, I can choose 1 and 3. So I can't choose 2 and 4. Why? Because 4 is invalid. So we can't choose 3 and 4. We can't choose 1 and 4. Out of the option, we can choose yes. A. But according to the question, 1, 2, 3 is always follows. But according to the option, we can choose as only option A is. Possibilities are most important for solving these type of questions. Next again, same question. See here. Here, white shade box is opposite to the circle box. Okay. Again, white is shaded with complete shade. Space is opposite to the shaded. And what are the remaining? Completed shade is opposite to the white box. So these are the opposite pairs. First decided the opposite pairs. Now here the first option. So maybe they can given, maybe they can given, maybe they can given. If these three are given, definitely there is a valid answer, guys. So one is possible answer. Second one, concentrated, we can get circle. Maybe we can get shade. So shade they given, circle they given. These white space is given, guys. So 2 is also possible answer. Third one is also correct answer. Why? Because same shape they given as inverted. Then about fourth one, guys. See about fourth one. So about fourth one. So about the fourth one, guys. See. So here about fourth one. If you go through that fourth one, we have a similar images for four as also. One image is reflected into fourth, guys. Now, then what are the possible answers? See, according to the question, 1, 2 only, 1, 2, 4 only, 1 and 4 only. I forgot the fourth option D. All is possible, guys. All is the correct answer. But according to the option, if you want to choose means definitely you can go with the B option. All are possible, guys. Guys, here I will tell you one thing. This is also one of the important parameter. I will tell you. Remember, sir, I can eliminate it. 3 is the wrong answer. I can eliminate it. 3 is the wrong answer in one particular case. What is that case, guys? But don't eliminate it in that case. All is the correct answer. But see, here the lines. Here just identify the lines, guys. If you go through the lines here, so the line always indicated northeast direction. So northeast direction indicated the possible option only 1 and 2. There is no chance for 3 and 4, guys. So this is also maybe sometimes we can go with a possibility. So in that case, you can choose your option A. If all is not given, if all is not given, now you can consider the direction of lines also. If you consider as a direction of line, then you can choose your option 1 and 2 only. Why? Because the line they indicated exactly northeast. If you see the third option and fourth option, they are showing a different line, guys. Different. Here they are discussing for east and west. Here they are discussing for northwest, but the here lines is indicated for northeast. No, that's why you can eliminate it 3 and 4. In that case, you can choose your option A. If it is all, you can choose your all A, guys. Based on that, it is a valid point. You can try this one. Empty space to the empty space. This one. Dot to the circle. And box to the 4 different boxes, guys. We have a 4 boxes here. Like that, we have a 4 boxes here. Out of 4 boxes, we have a 2 completed shade. We have a 2 completed shade. And one we have a symbol and one is the empty. Now go through the option number 1. Option number 1, they given us these point, these box and these empty. Yes, possible. One is possible. Go through the second one. So second one is also possible. They given us these empty box, these empty box, these circle. 2 is also possible. Third one. So we don't have any circle inside the dot point eliminated. We don't have any fourth type of diagram. So option only 1 and 2 follows. 1 and 2 follows. We can choose our option. Option 1 and 2 follows. For these questions. See, circle is opposite to the empty box. Now plus C is again opposite to the empty box. Now off shade is opposite to the inverted square. So this is the entire parameter. If you go through the option number 1, they given as this shape and this symbol also. If two opposite symbol, if you decided already opposite symbol, it never be adjacent. Definitely one eliminated. Go through the second one, guys. So second one, these given as a shape, plus and dot. So 2 is the possible answer. Go through the third one, guys. If you go through the third one, so if you go through the third one, so that is also wrong option. Go through the third one, that is also wrong option. If you go through the fourth one, guys. If you go through the fourth one, again, we want these perfect shape, no, including these perfect shape means 4 eliminated, 2 is the possible case. 4 why I am eliminated means these two are already know that opposite pair they given as it's sent. But 3 is also suitable option, guys. Why? Because all 3 parameters are completely different. But if you go through the 2 and 3, we can consider the direction of those space, guys. So the direction of space, according to the question, 2 is the suitable. No? So you can choose as a 2 only. Now, I will tell you the some information, see, guys. Dice concept. Remember the concept, guys. First of all, if you see the entire diagram, we can define these particular point is vertex. Now, if you count the total number of vertex in the dice, the total number of vertex points exactly, see, guys. In the dice, the total number of vertex points are exactly 8. Now, see, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we have bottom 4. So, total number of vertex points are 8. Second one. Now, joining of two vertex points is the side, guys. So, joining of two vertex points is the side. Now, if you count the total number of sides, the total number of sides exactly equal to 12, guys. If you just count it here, say 2, say 3, it's a 4. If you count the entire parameters, the total number of sides are 12. Now, third one, the total number of faces. See, the total number of faces means front face, back space, top space, bottom space, right, left. All the faces are 6. So, this is the overall information. Now, second important point. Now, see, guys, this is, we can see only two faces. We can see two faces here. We can see here two faces. Now, this is the three space cube, guys. Three face cube. And this is also three face cube, and this is two face. Only we can see only two faces. Only we can see two faces. Here we can see three faces, 1, 2 and 3. Same way we can see only one space here. We can see only one face. We can see only one face. We can see only one face. We can see two faces here. We can see two faces here. We can see three faces here. We can see three faces here. We can see two faces, and you can see two faces. If you observe the entire diagram, every three face, every three face cube available at vertex points. Point number one. Every three phase cube available at a vertex. Second information. Every two phase cube available at exactly sides only. Sides only. And third important point, every one phase cube available at faces only. This is the second important. See, if you see the cube, guys, every three phase cube available at only vertex points only. Every two phase cube available at a sides only. Every one phase cube available at a faces only. No. Just count the total number of cubes. See, so this is the cube I can represent it perfectly. Sir, 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 cube. See, each side only exactly 4 cubes. Now the total number of cubes are exactly equal to 64. Now out of 64, we need to separate the whole parameters. Now see, so the total number of three-phase cubes are available. If you count the entire three-phase cube, how many are available? Now we already know that every three-phase cube available at vertex. So the total number of vertex are 8. Here every vertex we can see only one piece only. So 8 into 1, the total number of pieces are 8 pieces. That is the first one. So if you see the entire vertex, if you see the every vertex point, we can see only one piece. Every vertex, there is a one piece. The total number of vertex points are 8. 8 into 1, the total number of pieces are 8. Now, we want the two faces. Two faces available at a side. Now, see, here we have a side. How many sides are there, guys? 12 sides. We have only how many sides are there? 12 sides. In the 12 sides. Now we just counted each side how many are there. Now see, if we see that these side, we can count the 4 pieces. But we can't consider those 4 pieces as the two faces. Why? Because out of 4, we have a 2 3 face and 2 2 face. That's why the total number of count you can consider as 12 into n minus 2. Here n can be defined as the given matrix. Now every one face means, so every one face available at a faces. So the total number of faces are 6. Now if you go through the entire information, face means these total number of pieces, guys. So these total number of pieces, I just consider as 4 into 4 is equal to 16. But I'm not consider those 16 pieces directly, guys. Why? Because we cannot count these side pieces. Why? Because this is the combination of 2 and 3. We can't count here. This is the combination of 2 and 3. We can't count here. This is the combination of 2 and 3. We can't count here. This is the combination of 2 and 3. So we left with how many faces, guys? 4 pieces only. Then how we can get directly means the entire matrix is 4 by 4. We just eliminated 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. Now the value become exactly equal to 2 into 2. Now if you go through the formula, every one face available at faces, the total number of pieces are 6 into n minus 2 whole square. Clear? N minus 2 whole square, guys. So that is the simple one. So every three face available vertex, every two face available at sides, every one face available at faces. So the total number of pieces at vertex 8 into 1. In the sides 12 into n minus 2. Faces 6 into n minus 2 whole square. Clear? Now we just go through the question now. Now how we can go with these type of question? See, the following questions are based on the information given below. If all the faces of cube are painted with a blue color, so they painted with a blue color, they cut into the 64 equal small piece cubes. So 64 means the matrix is exactly 4 into 4 into 4. Now we can get. Now the question. How many small cubes have only one face colored, guys? Only one face is colored. What I mentioned, guys. One face color available at a faces. Now, how many faces are there? Six faces. How many cubes are there? N minus 2 whole square cube. Here n value can be represented 4. Now, what is the answer? 6 into 4 minus 2 whole square. Now 6 into 2 square is equal to 4. 6 fours are 24. The answer become 20. Now, how many small cubes have no face color? So, no face color means total number of faces minus one face, two face, three face. Otherwise, you can go with it directly, guys. If you want the no color means simply, so every time you can subtract it n minus 2, n minus 2, n minus 2, the value become n minus 2 whole cube. So if you want the formula directly, you can consider n minus 2 whole cube or total minus painted. So same thing, you can get the answer, guys. So no face color exactly equal to n minus 2 whole cube. N value become 4, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, 2 cube is equal to 8, guys. Now how many small cubes are there whose three faces colored? So every three face available at vertex. So total number of vertexes are 8. 8 into 1, the total number of pieces are 8. Now fourth question. How many small cubes are there whose two adjacent faces are colored? Every two faces available at a sides, the total number of sides are 12 and 12 into n minus 2. So 12 into 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 12 twos are 24. Is that done? So simple thing, for example. So I will go to one more question, don't worry. So sometimes they given as 216 faces. How many three-phase cubes are available? For example, how many three-phase cubes are available? Then how we can solve? So 216 is the matrix of 6 into 6 into 6. How many three-phase cubes are available means every three-phase available at vertex, the total number of vertex points are 1. Every vertex we have one cube, the total number of cubes are 8. Now second one. How many two-phase cubes are there? How many two-phase cubes are there means how we can solve? Every two-phase available at sides, the total number of sides are 12. And we can separate the two pieces here. So why? Because those two pieces are maintained at exactly in vertex points. No, that's why we can subtract it 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 value become 4. 12 fours are 48 pieces are available. Then how many one face cubes are available? How many one face cubes are available? So what I mentioned. So every one face available at a faces. Then how many faces are there? 6 faces. So now we can subtract it 2 from the second face. Now 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, the matrix become 4 into 4. 4 4 are 16, 16 6 are 96 pieces. Why? Why we are subtracting 2, 2? We eliminated 2 rows and 2 columns. We eliminated 2 rows from 2 columns. That's why we can subtract it 2 by 2 matrix from 6 by 6. Now fourth one, what I mentioned that fourth one. So no color painting. What is the meaning of no color painting? Means they are discussing for inward parameters. Inward parameters means so 216 minus total painted. Total painted means 8 plus 48 plus 96. Or otherwise, what I mentioned that you can subtract it again 2 from the last one also. So 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, the value become 4 cube. Then 4 cube value become 64. For these type of question, guys, directly we can choose our option, guys. Remember. So I will tell you the one more question also. See, for example, say if they given as a 343 pieces, what is the matrix of 343 matrix? 7 into 7 into 7. So three faces cubes are required. The answer 8 into 1, the value become 8. So two faces are required. Two faces available at a sides, the total number of sides are 12. Now we can subtract 2 from the first 7. 7 minus 2, the value become how much? 5. So 12 into 5, the value becomes 60. We want one face. So every one face available at faces, the total number of faces are 6. Now we can subtract 2 from the second line. So 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2, the value become 5 into 5. 5, 5 is a 25. So 25 into 6, the value become 150. If no color means, now you can subtract from the last parameter also. So 5 into 5, the value become 120. So these are the 4 questions repeated for every time in the concept of cubes, guys. Yes, guys. So that's it for today's session. See you in the next session, guys.